Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a full complete review for you guys. This review is going to be on a brand called Positively Pure. So about Positively Pure, a few things I can let you know. Everything in their brand right now, they have 3 products and everything is 100% organic, all natural. So they're very great for your hair and skin. I'm going to be reviewing the Positively Pure Cleansing Clay Mask. Simple clay mask. We also have the Positively Pure Curl Refreshing Spray here, and this one is the African Black Soap. This is what it looks like. So I used it already. This is how it looks. 100% pure organic black African soap. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and go over the black African soap with you guys since I already showered and everything. Black African soap is known for multiple benefits that it has. The benefits are it helps to relieve acne, cleans pores, removes blemishes, prevents rashes, itching, dry and scaly skin from developing. It cleanses your pores and it rejuvenates your skin, leaving it fresh and clean. This is actually my first time trying real, raw, organic, 100% pure African black soap. I've never tried it like this before. The one that I've tried before, it was from Shea Moisture and it looked nothing like this soap. I will say that after using the soap, my skin felt, and it still feels, really smooth, and the soap had a great lather to it. It lathered perfectly like any other soap. As far as the smell, it doesn't really have a luxurious smell. It's just all natural ingredients. Ingredients are honey, shea butter, camwood, and then we have palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bunch ash, aloe vera, lime juice, and distilled water. She gets these soaps straight from Ghana. So this is all, like I said, 100% pure. Everything in the description is totally correct and I agree with it. I really did love this soap. I can't really tell you guys, if it's working on my skin and if it's getting rid of any blemishes or anything, of course, because I just used it the first time today, but I would definitely go ahead and keep using this soap until I completely run out of it to tell you guys and let you guys know what the differences are and if I noticed a difference and everything else. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to update you guys on that one. Next, I have already used the Positively Pure Refreshing Spray for your curls. I used this the other day on my hair and I loved it. It smells really good. Whenever using it, you just give it a nice shake. I use it on my day 4 curls and it made my day 4 curls look really good. I gave my hair a little spritz. I went ahead and got the bottom areas, and all I did after I sprayed it was just go like this, and I did the prayer hands and I went ahead and I just scrunched it. So all I did was just refresh my curls. I will go ahead and show some pictures of what my hair looked like if you don't follow me on Instagram or if you want to see what it does. I will also be using the Curl Refreshing Spray after I rinse out my hair from the clay mask. I'm going to use that Curl Refreshing Spray and nothing else in my hair so I can do a complete full review and tell you guys what I think about the products on their own. It's a leave-in spray. It's meant to nourish, hydrate, and moisturize all types of hair. It also has distilled water, aloe vera gel, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and lavender essential oil. So that's where you get that really nice smell from, is from the lavender. I really love how it has avocado oil and aloe vera gel. I don't really use aloe vera gel or anything with aloe vera in it in my hair. This is my first time using that. I would say that my hair reacted really well with that. So I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. Next product we're going to get into is the Ultimate Clay Mask. So this mask, I have seen her results. The CEO, her name is Kyra Moore. I will go ahead and also tag the Instagram page of Positively Pure and her page so you guys can check her out. She's been using this and I saw her results, and that's what really made me want to try the clay mask that she made. Her hair, you can tell how moisturized, how defined her curls are, how hydrated her curls are from using this mask. And I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. When she reached out and asked me to do a review and everything of the products, so I was like, heck yeah, of course I want to do that. So this I'm really excited to use today. As far as the smell, I definitely smell lavender in here. Just like a regular clay mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know the benefits of a clay mask and also the ingredients that are in this specific clay mask. It is used to draw out impurities from your hair without drying it out. It also adds intense shine, nourishes your hair and scalp, and revives curls to help grow longer, healthier hair, which is really good for anyone who's transitioning or, you know, trying to revive their curls. This is a great product to get, I believe, because it'll help define your curls, it'll help moisturize them, it'll help cleanse them. Like, you should at least be doing a full detox of your hair at least once a month, and this would be really great for that. So I do recommend that. So the ingredients in the clay mask are distilled water, bentonite clay, I hope I pronounced that right, sweet almond oil, lavender essential oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, castor oil, and I believe this is Dermabin. It's an all-natural preservative. So those are all great, all-natural, organic ingredients to have inside of a clay mask, which is really, really good. So now that I've went over all three of the products with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start with the clay mask. So first, you need to make sure that your hair is completely wet. Since I already showered and everything, I'm just going to go ahead and use my spray bottle and wet my hair for you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just detangle my hair really quickly. Now that my hair is completely detangled, I'm going to start applying the clay mask to my hair. You want to part it into sections. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is how it looks. This is what it feels like. Just like this. And you want to apply it completely throughout your hair. You want to make sure you get in there all the way from your roots. Thick consistency, smells like, you know, lavender clay. It's making my hair stick and clump together. And this is actually my first time ever doing a clay mask. I've never ever done one before, so I'm really excited to see how my hair will react and what it will do for my hair. Okay guys, so I finished putting in the clay mask. This is what my hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do a full 360. Give you guys a close-up. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this clay mask in for about an hour and a half. I'm going to go ahead and leave my hair in a shower cap. Wanted to let you guys know that when you're doing this, it is a little bit messy, so you want to make sure that you're wearing something or shirt you don't really care about. And I'm gonna rinse my hair out as well, so see ya. So I'm back. I went ahead and rinsed out the clay mask. I just want to let you guys know that when I was rinsing my hair out, it was a super easy process. My hair felt so smooth and soft. I can't wait to see what it looks like after I take this turban off. So here we go. Here's what it looks like. Much more life brought back to my curls. Curls don't look dead. It feels really soft. My hair has a shine to it. My hair feels really clean. It smells like the lavender. I'm shocked at how my curls look, you know, pretty full. Usually once I rinse my hair out and I take it out and stuff, it looks lifeless, but this time it doesn't look like that. Also with the clay mask, my hair it doesn't feel like it has any more product in it. All the product buildup is gone, and I didn't even use a shampoo. It feels perfectly clean. My scalp doesn't feel dry at all. It feels really amazing. Really am happy with these results, and I can't wait to keep using this clay mask and see what it's really gonna do to my hair in the long run. So next I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition my hair, and I'm gonna come back, style it with the Curl Refreshing Leave-In Spray that I told you guys about earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Curl Refreshing Spray just as I would any other product in my hair, and give myself some definition using my Denman brush. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. I'm going to give my hair a spritz. You can smell the lavender so strong here. It just smells so good. Like it's gonna keep me totally relaxed throughout my day. And you can hear that sound. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. I went ahead and I finished styling my hair. Here's what it looks like. They look so good and so defined. It doesn't feel weighed down by anything because it's only a spray, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just air dry them for a little bit and come back and show you guys the final result of today's Positively Pure products. You guys need to check them out, and if you haven't purchased these two, do it, because you can't go wrong with neither one of them. You guys will love it. You will really fall in love with this spray, and you will really fall in love with this clay mask. It's a super easy, fast process. I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair as well. I'll be back one last time. I'm back for the last and final time, and my hair is completely done. I diffused it, and here are my curls. They're so full of bounce, so shiny. Like, you guys can see for yourself. You see this? So shiny, so soft. And remember, all I did was use this. This is all I used today to style my hair. My hair looks phenomenal. This one little girl, look at that. You guys, look at that. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with Positively Pure. Like, this is a pure curl. My hair looks so good. It feels so good because all I did was use the spray, so I don't have any crazy product buildup. I'm literally in shock, but at the same time I'm not, because I saw the results already on her page. The hair speaks for itself. Like, come on. You see it. You see it. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked before I added any other product into my hair. So I just put some oil on the tips of my fingers, and I'm just gonna go ahead and separate these curls. I am literally like, this is the most genuine smile ever. Like, I am so happy. Her products literally did exactly what they said that they would. This completes today's video. I'm so excited and I'm so happy with these results that I got today. So if you want some results like this for your hair, and if you are transitioning your hair and transforming your curls, these two products are definitely two products that you need, and you need to go and get them ASAP because they will change your life. I got these results with just these two products. You can't go wrong with Positively Pure. I absolutely loved everything about these products. They both smell so good. I love the lavender smell. They're 100% pure and organic products, so you can't go wrong. They're perfectly healthy for your hair, especially if you're transitioning. You definitely do need to check out Positively Pure. You can't go wrong with the African Black soap that I use today that has my skin feeling so soft. It's super moisturized. I loved the soap. I loved everything from this brand, and I would say my ultimate favorite thing from this line so far is definitely the curl refreshing spray. This is all I used in my hair today and I got these results. I keep repeating that, I know, but I'm literally in shock at the results I got from this spray. If you're definitely looking for some new products, I highly recommend to try these two out. If you know you're on a budget, you want to know which one I would recommend that you get first. If you're starting off your curly hair journey, to go with this one. If you can, try to get both, but if you can't, then definitely get the clay mask, because this will really help your transition go smoothly and you can't go wrong with this. But if your hair is already healthy and you're just looking for a really great new product, I would definitely say go ahead and get the curl refreshing spray, because I mean, as you can see with my hair, you can use it to style your hair and get results just like mine, or you can always refresh your curls with this as well after wash day. But if you can, please try to get both of them together. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys really love these results that I got, and I hope you all get a chance to check out Positively Pure, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.